Bonjour à tous et bienvenue sur Daily French Conversation. Je suis Julie.
Et je suis Leon. Nous sommes ravis de vous retrouver. Today we have a very practical and I think very important topic for anyone visiting a French-speaking country.
That's right, we're heading to a café. The goal for today's episode is to give you all the vocabulary and confidence you need to walk into a French café and order a coffee, completely in French.
Exactly. No more pointing or defaulting to English. By the end of this episode, you'll be ready. Shall we start with the essentials?
Let's do it. First things first, vocabulary is key.
Okay, so the most basic word, coffee. In French, it's café.
Right. Un café. It's a masculine noun, and funnily enough, the place where you go to drink a coffee is also called un café.
A very important distinction, though, is what un café actually means when you order it. In France, if you just ask for un café, you will get a small, strong shot of espresso.
Not a big mug of filter coffee like you might be used to. So what if you want a coffee with milk?
For that, you'd ask for un café au lait, café with lait, which is milk. Or another popular option is un café crème, which is espresso with a bit of steamed milk or cream.
Exactly. And of course, you can find international favorites. You can ask for a cappuccino or a latte, and most places will know what you mean.
Right. Let's do a quick recap of those coffee types. We invite you to repeat them after us. Répétez après nous.
Café,
Un café au lait.
un café crème.
Un cappuccino.
Excellent. Now for the phrases that put it all together. How do you actually order?
The most important phrase, the magic wand of politeness in French, is je voudrais. It means I would like.
It's so much more polite than saying je veux, which means I want. So you would say je voudrais un café.
And what do you add at the end of every request, Julie?
S'il vous plaît, of course. Please. So the full sentence is je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît.
Perfect. Now the server might have a question for you. A very common one is sur place ou à emporter.
Which means for here or to go. If you want to stay and enjoy the atmosphere, you say,
Sur place.
and if you're in a hurry,
Emporter.
simple enough. Finally, when it's time to pay, you can ask for the bill by saying l'addition, s'il vous plaît.
Or if you're paying at the counter, you might just ask combien ça coûte, which means how much does it cost?
Great! I think we have enough to try a real-life scenario. Are you ready for a little role play, Leon?
Absolutely. I will be the friendly French barista. You can be our wonderful student ordering for the first time. We'll do it slowly first so everyone can follow along.
Perfect. Let's begin.
Bonjour, madame.
Bonjour, monsieur. Je voudrais un café au lait, s'il vous plaît.
Bien sûr. Et avec ceci?
Je vais prendre un croissant aussi.
D'accord. Un café au lait et un croissant. Sur place ou à emporter?
Sur place.
Très bien. Ça fera 5,50 €.
Voilà, merci.
Merci à vous. Je vous apporte ça à votre table. Bonne journée.
Merci, bonne journée.
And scene. You see? Painless.
Completely. Now, should we break down that dialogue line by line? I think there were a couple of new phrases in there.
Good idea. So after you ordered your coffee, I asked, et avec ceci? This is a very common phrase from a server or shopkeeper. It literally means, and with this, but it's used to say, anything else?
Right, and I replied, Je vais prendre un croissant aussi. I added a little for realism, a bit of hesitation. Je vais prendre means I'm going to take or I'll have. It's another great alternative to je voudrais.
Totally. It sounds very natural. Then I repeated the order to confirm, d'accord, un café au lait et un croissant. And then our key phrase.
Sur place ou à emporter? And I said sur place.
Next, I told you the price. Très bien. Ça fera 5,50 €. This means very good. That will be 5,50 €.
And when I handed you the money, I said voilà. This is a perfect, simple word to use when presenting something, in this case, the payment.
Exactly. And the last new phrase was for me. Je vous apporte ça à votre table. This means I'll bring that to your table. You'll often have your drinks brought to you if you're staying sur place.
And then we just finished with a polite bonne journée, which means have a good day.
And there you have it, a full, successful, and very polite interaction at a French café. I think our listeners are ready.
I agree. Shall we do a quick final recap of the most important phrases to remember?
Let's do it. Number 1, bonjour. Always start with a greeting.
Number 2, je voudrais, for I would like.
Number 3, don't forget your coffee type. En café au lait, etc.
Number 4, the magic words, s'il vous plaît and merci.
And number 5, be ready to answer sur place ou emporter.
With those 5 points, you are absolutely set. Practice them a few times and you'll feel so much more comfortable.
That is all the time we have for today on Daily French Conversation. We hope you found this episode helpful.
Yes, thank you so much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
On se voit à la prochaine.
Au revoir!